Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to remove an app from the home screen on your iPhone or iPad. So what you want to do is navigate to the app that you want to remove from the home screen, and then you want to one long hold press on it, and then you want to select where this pop-up menu comes up, remove app. Now you have options here. Make sure you select remove from home screen and not delete app, because delete app actually removes it from the iPhone itself, and remove from home screen only from the home screen, and you will still be able to use the app if you wish. So remove from home screen, and there you go, it's being removed from the home screen. If you ever want to find it again, you can swipe all the way to the left to open up the app library, and you'll be able to find it here. There you go, the app is still available. So that's how to remove an app from the home screen on the iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.